Alright, today we're going to do a demonstration on the PALMARY universal cylindrical grinder. This is a model GU20x40. That's the capacity. NC, it's a type of control. This is not a full-blown CNC control, but a menu-driven control that has several programs for grinding different types of workpieces, plunge grinding, traverse grinding. There's an automatic in-cycle dressing program with compensation. There's offsets. There's a lot of features that can be done with the control. So the machine here is hydraulic also. I have a hydraulic unit set up on this side. We have a hydraulic tailstock. We have a hydraulic dresser, over-the-wheel dresser for dressing the wheel. The machine is currently wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. So I'm going to go ahead here and start up the control. Goes through its little menu. I'll start the hydraulic. I'll start the grinding wheel. The screen gives you a selection of different programs. There's a grinding program, and there's a plunge grinding program. There's also a manual program for doing manual work, and a page to put in certain compensations and offsets. So we can start the table going for a traverse grind and bring the grinding wheel in. The machine is currently sitting on wooden blocks, that's why it's a little shaky. So as you see, as we go back and forth here, we can adjust the speed of our table. Each time it reverses, it feeds on the left side, and it feeds on the right side.